Greetings, dear design enthusiasts, and welcome back to yet another enriching episode on your favorite channel, Decor Puzzle 2.0. Today, we've got a special treat lined up for you as we unravel the sophisticated world of PVC wall panel bedroom designs, a venture that promises both luxury and comfort. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay abreast of the cutting-edge design inspirations we bring to you weekly. Our journey today takes us into a transformative experience, reshaping and reimagining bedrooms into modern sanctuaries of peace and style. The beauty of the endeavor lies in the simple yet impactful addition of PVC wall panels, a revolutionary material that fuses aesthetic allure with robust functionality. As we venture further, we will be unveiling an array of stylish designs and the incredible benefits of incorporating PVC wall panels into your bedroom. In recent years, PVC wall panels have emerged as a go-to material for those seeking to add a touch of luxury and modernity to their bedrooms. These wall panels are not only aesthetically pleasing but are also known for their durability and ease of maintenance. Before we embark on this visual feast, let's spend a moment appreciating the marvel that is PVC, or polyvinyl chloride. Celebrated for its longevity, easy upkeep, and a versatile palette of designs and textures, PVC is a material that can genuinely transform spaces. From high-gloss finishes that add a splash of glamour to subdued matte textures that ooze sophistication, PVC caters to a myriad of tastes and preferences. As we delve into the heart of today's episode, we first explore a trend that is taking the design world by storm: geometric patterns. These patterns, characterized by dynamic lines and shapes, infuse a modern and vibrant energy into your bedroom, creating spaces that resonate with vitality and zest. Whether you choose a palette that is a harmonious blend of subdued hues or a vibrant medley of colors, these patterns offer a visual symphony that tantalizes the senses. Following the modern lines of geometric patterns, we transition into the comforting embrace of wood-finish PVC panels. These panels, with their rustic charm and timeless elegance, emulate the rich textures and hues of natural wood, all the while offering the added benefits of durability and easy maintenance that comes with PVC. Picture the tranquil ambience created with the incorporation of warm mahogany or the calming presence of pine, a sanctuary that promises both contemporary flair and comfort. As we venture into the heart of today's topic, it's imperative to familiarize ourselves with the plethora of textures and patterns available in the market. From sleek and glossy finishes to matte and textured ones, PVC wall panels offer something to cater to every taste and preference. Not to be left behind are the exquisite PVC panels that mirror the beauty of intricate wall murals. For the artistically inclined, these panels offer a canvas that celebrates the beauty of nature, abstract designs, and even vibrant floral patterns. Imagine being enveloped in an environment where art meets design, creating a symphony of visual poetry that serves as a constant source of inspiration and conversation. But the allure of PVC wall panels is not merely skin-deep. As we venture further, we uncover the practical facets of these versatile panels. With excellent insulation properties and a resistance to moisture, PVC panels not only enhance the visual appeal of your space but also promise longevity, safeguarding your walls from dampness and potential mold growth, thus promising a healthy living environment. Now, let us navigate the realms of installation. While the prospect may seem daunting, you'll find that installing PVC wall panels can be a smooth and satisfying endeavor. Whether you decide to embark on a DIY adventure or seek the expertise of a professional, we are here to guide you. In this section, we walk you through a detailed, step-by-step installation process, ensuring that your journey from start to finish is nothing short of perfection. Imagine stepping into a bedroom that exudes contemporary elegance. Picture a feature wall adorned with geometric patterns, serving as a canvas for a minimalist yet striking setting. The modern designs favor clean lines and smooth textures, giving your bedroom a polished and sophisticated look. An important facet to consider in your transformation journey is the selection of appropriate lighting. The right lighting not only complements but accentuates the beauty of the PVC panels, bringing out the depth of their textures and the vibrancy of their colors. From ambient recessed lighting that creates a soothing atmosphere to stylish wall sconces that add a touch of elegance, lighting serves as the perfect accessory to your newly adorned walls. Of course, no bedroom makeover is complete without the perfect blend of accessories and furniture. When paired with the right elements, PVC wall panels serve as a backdrop that accentuates every piece, creating harmony and balance in your personal space. And let's not forget the DIY enthusiasts out there. PVC wall panels offer a canvas for you to unleash your creativity. From paintable surfaces to customizable textures, the sky's the limit when it comes to personalizing your bedroom. As we draw near the end of our enriching journey today, we take a moment to appreciate the ease of maintaining these exquisite PVC wall panels. Say goodbye to strenuous upkeep and welcome a life where a simple wipe down with a damp cloth is enough to maintain the luster and grandeur of your bedroom walls. Experience luxury that stands the test of time, promising years of aesthetic delight. Thank you, dear viewers, for embarking on this insightful journey with us today. We trust that we've ignited sparks of inspiration for your next bedroom revamp. Remember, your sanctuary awaits a touch of PVC magic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Puzzle 2.0 for more such engaging content. Until next time, here's to a world adorned with beauty and elegance. Happy decorating!